Hello everyone, my name is Ram Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about basic networking troubleshooting command. First, I'm just going to give a off IP config, IP config, IP config. This command just shows the IP configuration of the machine. Here it just shows Windows IP configuration. Here Ether adapted, Ethernet adapted Ethernet. Then just shows the meter state disconnected and connection like that. It just shows then wireless LAN adapted local area connection 1, then wireless LAN adapted local area connection 2, then wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, then just shows the IP address of that, then just exits here. Now I can go to IP config all, IP config all, just shows everything in detail by detail, everything in detail by detail. Now we can see of IP config DNS. IP config display DNS. Display DNS just shows Windows IP configuration and just shows the record name and record type, then time to live, then data length, then selection, then PTR record. Then I'm just going to give IP config flash DNS. Flash DNS just shows the successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then we can give get MAC. Then it just shows the physical address and transport name here. Then I can give ARP A. It just shows that interface, then internet address. Then I'm just going to give the ping just shows the usage of the ping, then options in the ping 127.0.0.1. This is with 32 bits of data. Then this is getting the reply from this, especially in this, then just displaying that how many times taken here. Now we can go for ping in Google. Ping google.com. Just shows which are the ping present in the Google, how many times taking like that it will show here, just showing here. Now we can see Trusset just shows the usage of the Trusset, then options in the Trusset. Then we can go for Trusset in Google. Just calculates here, just shows that it's a maximum of 30 hops. Just takes time because when the server is fast, it just shows that we are near the tower or the hops here, the receiver here. Then if it just takes time, that shows that we are a little bit away from that. Just shows that just a maximum of 30 hops. It will take time. Just shows that request timeout. But that means that the receiver did not uh, give the information to this machine. It just took 4 hops here. Then after 4, during 4 just shows the destination host unreachable. That means that we are away from that. It just takes time here. Now we can give path ping. Just shows the usage of the path ping and options in the path ping here. Now we can go for path ping in Google. It just shows that it's unable to resolve the target in the system of Google because the connections is very low here. So it just shows here. And then we can go for net user. It just shows that user account. Then this is the username here. Then this is the this is the username and this is the laptop name here. Laptop name. Then I'm just giving who am I. Who am I? Just shows that laptop name. Then this is the username. I didn't give my name, so it just shows a number here. Then ns look up in Google. Google.com. I didn't know it. I don't know it will come or not because the Google connection is less here. Let's see. Yeah, it came. It just shows that DNS request timeout, then server unknown address, then DNS request timeout, then name Google, then it just shows the address of that here. Then as like that we can show, we can also see in the Karunya NS lookup here. Just shows that the server is unknown, then address is here, then name is here karunya.edu, then address is here, then root print. It just prints the root here, root print. In this root print I just prints the root here, just to interface list, then IP4 root table, then activate roots here, then IP6 root table, then activate roots here, then persistent roots just shows none. I'm just giving it as a net start. Sorry, net start. Just shows the activate connections here, the local address, then foreign address, then state, like it just shows here. Then it just takes time. Yeah. Just shows time wait. Just taking time. Okay, now just over. Now we can see NetStart AI. NetStart AI just shows the activate the connections here. Just shows every connections here. Then just taking time to load the another connections here. Just over. Now we can give host name. Host name. Just shows the laptop name. Your host name here. Laptop EA1U5755. Just shows like that. Yeah. Thank you guys.